Spelling and grammar. The red wavy line shows that a word has been spelt incorrectly, whereas the blue lines show grammatical mistakes. In Word, you can easily correct these mistakes by using the Spelling and Grammar tool. To check a document, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on Review tab. Step 2. Select Spelling and Grammar tool. After selecting Spelling and Grammar tool, Proofing task pane opens in the right side. Step 3. Double-click the word with the correct spelling. You can add the incorrect word to the dictionary by clicking on Add to Dictionary option. You can also correct the spelling or grammar by right-clicking on the incorrect word or words and then click on the desired option. Step 4. Click on OK button. Thesaurus. Thesaurus is a collection of words with their synonyms. To use Thesaurus tool, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the word. Step 2. Click on Review tab. Step 3. Click on the Thesaurus tool. Step 4. Click on down arrow and select Insert or Copy. Find and replace text. In Word, we use Find command to search for a word or words in a document. The Replace command replaces a specific word or text with other word or words in a document. Find text. To find a word in a document, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on Home tab. Step 2. Click on Find tool. Step 3. Type the word or words that you want to search in the text box. Step 4. Click on the results to go to the searched item in the document. Replace text. To find a specific word or words in a document and replace it with other word or words, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on Home tab. Step 2. Click on Replace tool. Step 3. Type the word or words to be searched in the Find What box. Step 4. Type the word or words to replace within the Replace With box. Step 5. Click on Replace All button. Page formatting. Page formatting is the arrangement of text and all the elements on a page so that it looks appealing to the reader. Changing page orientation. Orientation of a paper means the layout of the page in which the text or image appears. Word has two types of page orientations, landscape and portrait. Portrait is the default orientation in Word. You can change the orientation of the entire document. To do so, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on Layout tab. Step 2. Click on Orientation command. Step 3. Choose Portrait or Landscape. Setting paper size. Paper size is the actual length and width of the paper in centimeter. The default paper size in Word is letter. To change the paper size, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click on Layout tab. Step 2. Click on Size command. Step 3. Select a paper size you want for your document. Inserting a page break. Inserting a page break means instructing Word to end a page at a certain point which is different from the current paper size of the document. To insert a page break in your document, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click where you want to insert a page break. Step 2. Click on Layout tab. Step 3. Click on Breaks command. Step 4. Select the option Page. Paragraph formatting. Paragraph formatting is used to change the appearance of paragraphs. In paragraph formatting, you can make changes such as line and paragraph spacing, alignment, etc. Line spacing. Line spacing means the amount of vertical space between the lines of text. You can have 1, 1.15, 1.5, etc. To change line spacing for a single paragraph, follow the given steps. Step 1. Place the cursor anywhere in the paragraph. Step 2. Click on Home tab. Step 3. Click on Line and Paragraph Spacing tool. Step 4. Choose the line spacing you want. Paragraph spacing. Paragraph spacing means the amount of vertical space between paragraphs. The spacing between paragraphs is measured in points. To change paragraph spacing, follow the given steps. Step 1. Place the cursor in the paragraph. Step 2. Click on Layout tab. Step 3. Click on the arrows in the before and after spin boxes to choose the required spacing. Column formatting. Word has an option to lay out some text or the entire document in columns. To lay out the text in columns, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the text to lay out in columns. Step 2. Click on Layout tab. Step 3. Click on Columns command. Step 4. Select the number of columns.